Hello students, so in this tutorial we are going to learn Hlook Up, horizontal lookup. So first let's understand the data. We have to fetch advertisement, travel, software, hardware, postage and expenses. So first we will see what is the basic data. So this is the expense budget basically. The variety of expenses are given like advertisement, travel, software, hardware, postage, and then this is the budget for April, May and June. So what is April budgeted and what was the actual expenses for April, what was the difference and what was the percentage change. And this is given in the vertical format, that is in column format, and here you will find that we want to fetch this in horizontal format. You can see expenses are given in vertical format, but in this we have to fetch them into the vertical format, and we want April budgeted, April actual, April difference and percentage change for April data. Similarly we have May and June, but we are going to fetch for April only. So now what this data has to be into the horizontal format, so we are going to use Hlook Up. We are not going to use VLOOKUP, we are going to use Hlook Up because it is preferable because our data is in a horizontal format. So let's see what is syntax of Hlook Up. So equal to Hlook Up. So what is the lookup value? We want to find value for April budgeted, and table array where we are going to look, that is table array. So we are going to look in this array. So this is my array. So basically I have named it. We have already seen the naming system, so we have named it as expense budget. So I will directly select from the data. Now in Hlook Up we need to fetch row index number. So our row index number should be for advertisement. So let's see how to find the row index number. Now as we have seen for column index number, now we have to find row index number. So row index starts from where your data starts. So this header is your row index number 1 and advertisement comes in row index number 2. I will again repeat that. You don't have to count from exact row number 1, 2, 3. You have to count from where your data starts. So your data starts from this 4. So your header becomes row index number 1 and advertising is at row index number 2, travel is at 3, software is at 4 and etc. etc. So we will give row index number as 2 because we want amount for 2 and 0 and bracket close and enter. So we got the data. So again I will tell you what is our lookup value. Lookup value was April budgeted. Then what is our table array, that is expense budget, which is our full this data. And again we want to fetch advertising. So advertisement has row index number 2 and we want exact match. So this is what a Hlook Up is. So I will just autofill it on below cells as well. So yes, now we want to get these things automatically for travel, software, hardware, but it will require match. So we will see how to write the match formula in next session. So keep on watching and keep on learning and practice this Hlook Up. And if you have any query, just put me a mail. Thanks for watching.